A very precious good morning. This is Manish Bhardwaj from Rawal Convent School. Now, I'm starting the chapter electricity. Regarding 10th class board exam, this chapter is very important. So, electricity. Electricity is what? In physics, we can say electricity is the branch of physics which deals with the study of current. It is very important source of energy in the modern times. In our homes, in our industry and in transport, obviously electricity is used widely. Now, the main important term in electricity is charge because without charge we can't find electricity. So, when we discuss a different definition, the flow of electric charge is called electricity, or we can say that the flow of electric current is called electricity, or we can say that the flow of electrons is also called electricity. So without charge we can't do anything. So charge is what? If we want to discuss charge is what? Charge is the fundamental unit of matter, or we can say charge is the fundamental unit of electricity. So basically there are two types of charges: positive charge, negative charge. Obviously, when an element loses electron, when it have more electrons, so obviously after losing electrons it converted into positive charge, and vice versa. Obviously, if any element have deficiency of electrons, definitely it accept electron, and after accepting electrons, obviously a charge created, that is negative charge. So basically there are two types of charges: positive charge, negative charge. Obviously, because positive and negative charge, electricity can be created. So basically, what are the properties of these charge? Obviously, in small classes, in earlier classes, obviously we know that number one, opposite charges attract each other and same charges repel each other. Obviously, a positive charge attract a negative charge and a negative charge attract positive charge. So this is the basic term. Now come to the main point. What is the SI unit of electric charge? Definition already I discussed. Again, electric charge. Charge is the fundamental unit of matter or electricity. So electric charge is measured in coulombs. So SI unit of electric charge is coulomb, and it is denoted by C. Now, conductors, insulators, obviously both are very important terms. So conductors, what are conductors? Conductors are those substances through which electricity can be easily flow, or we can say those substances through which electricity can flow are called conductors. Means these are those devices which always allow to pass electric current or electricity through them easily. So there are some examples in conductors like silver, like copper, like aluminium, like gold, and so many. Human body is also a good conductor. Okay, now insulators. What are insulators? Basically, insulators are just opposite to conductors. So insulators are those devices through which electricity can't be flow, or these are those devices which do not allow to pass electric current through them. For example, glass, rubber, plastic paper, dry wood, cotton, dry air, all are examples of insulators. Okay, now it's for you. Number one, the flow of electric charge is called what? Electricity, conductors, insulators, or charge? What do you think? Flow of electric charge is called what? Obviously electricity. Next question for you. How many types of electric charge? 2, 3, 4, 5. Just think about it. Obviously 2, my dear. Next, the SI unit of electric charge. SI unit of electric charge already I discussed. Ampere, Kelvin, Coulomb, mole. Yes, Coulomb. Next, okay, tell me, those substances through which electricity can flow are called What? Conductors or insulators? Obviously conductors. So your result, obviously 100%. So all questions are okay now. Okay, so glass, rubber, plastic, paper, dry wood, cotton, dry air are examples of what? Conductors or insulators? Insulators, obviously. Now, now we will discuss about electric current. Electric current is what? The rate of flow of net charge is called current. It is denoted by I. I equal to Q upon T. I means electric current, Q means charge, T means time. In other words, we can say that the rate of flow of electric charge, or you can say the charge per unit time, is called electric current. Okay? Now, SI unit. The SI unit of electric current is ampere, and obviously it is represented by ampere, A, capital A. Now, ampere means sometimes it may be asked what is electric current and state its SI unit or define its SI unit. So in this case we have to specify 1 ampere. So 1 ampere, how can we define? 1 coulomb of charge flowing per second. Means when 1 coulomb of charge flowing in 1 second, then the electric current is said to be 1 ampere. Okay students, now obviously in electric circuit the current flow in opposite direction to the flow of electrons. Conventionally it flow from positive terminal of battery or cell to negative terminal. 1 minute. Basically electric current is always moves positive to negative and electrons moves negative to positive. So basically there are two types of direction: conventional direction of current and electronic direction of current. When we will discuss in electronic direction, then the direction is from negative to positive, and when we talk about the direction of electric current, yeah, conventional direction of electric current, then we can say that it is always from positive to negative terminal. Okay, so thank you students. After that, in next class we will discuss next points. Okay, so okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.